Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on the Google Pixel 7. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here, locate the app Google Classroom. Select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open the app. Click on Get Started, choose the account, then OK. Now push this plus button, join the class, enter the class code, and then select Join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.